Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into an exciting topic, how to integrate Google Drive with Trello, your full 2025 guide. First things first, let's head over to your Trello board. Now, if you don't see the Google Drive power-up on your menu bar, go ahead and add it. The reason we do this is to connect Trello with Google Drive, making file sharing and collaborative work easier. Once that's done, let's activate it. Click on the Google Drive power-up and then hit the Enable button. This helps us because it allows us to directly access and share files from our Google Drive onto our Trello board. Now that we've done that, let's move to the actual integration part. Go to the card where you want to attach a file. Click on the Google Drive button and choose the option that best suits your needs. You can either attach a file, create and attach a document, or link a folder. This is an important step as it enables you to streamline your workflow, keeping everything you need in one place. Next up, remember to authorize Trello to access your Google Drive. When you click on the Google Drive button for the first time, a window will pop up asking you to log into your Google account and grant Trello permission to access your Google Drive. The reason we do this is to ensure a secure connection between the two platforms. Once you've done this, your Google Drive files will be visible directly from your Trello cards. Let me explain why this matters. This integration not only saves you a lot of time switching between tabs, but it also ensures that everyone on your team is on the same page, boosting productivity and efficiency. And there you have it. That's how you integrate Google Drive with Trello in 2025. With this integration, you can manage your tasks, share files, and collaborate with your team all in one place. Thank you for joining us today. Stick around for more practical guides and remember to leave any questions or comments below.